Hey, what's up, YouTube? Okay, so I recently had something very interesting happen to me yesterday here in the shop, and it's all because of YouTube videos. So let me recap what happened before I get into this the quick interview video that I'm going to show you with a guy named Baihe from Repair All, Vice President of Sales. They have 17 stores. It's a chain of stores in Northern California. Basically, about a week and a half ago, I got a phone call here in the store, and it was Baihe, and then he wanted to meet up with me because he saw my videos on YouTube. And he said that, dude, I saw your videos and I freaking couldn't sleep last night. I get contacted a lot. Actually, I was contacted today for people that they want to come here and they want me to show them like what I'm doing. So he was one of them. But when somebody that has 17 stores, that kind of gets your attention. So, okay, so this past weekend, he flew down to San Diego, came into the shop, and I showed him what I'm doing. So, kind of the things that we discussed, when you have 17 stores and they're not refurbishing at all, refurbishing curved screen phones, curved Samsung phones. So I was mentioning how it's gonna lower their inventory, it's gonna increase your profits at the same time, and it's gonna get more sales. So it's just a win-win-win. Okay, so let me read off some of these locations here in Northern California. Maybe some of you guys are out there that may be familiar with it. Some of these locations, okay, here we go. And I don't even know if I'm saying this city right. Ceres, California. Modesto, I've definitely heard of Modesto. Modesto in Vintage Fair Mall. Turlock, California. Manteca, California. I think I'm saying it right. Tracy, California. Stockton, California. Lodi, California. Elk Grove, California. These are all the locations. Sacramento, California. That's the capital of California, for those of you guys that don't know. Vacaville. I know Vacaville because Papa Roach. They always say that. Okay, so that's my favorite band is Papa Roach. So Vallejo, California, Clovis, and there's some others. But yeah, so let's just get into this quick interview. Here we go. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Here we are with
Baihe with Repair All.
Okay, so today's February 17th, and I'm here showing him, well, I just finished showing him some refurbishing stuff. But how did you know about me, or how did you find me?
Dude, one of my guys was on YouTube and ran across your how to refurbish Samsung videos. And he was excited. He sent me the video. I watched it. I couldn't sleep that night. I called you the next day and set up a meeting, and I'm here with you now.
So basically, I received a phone call, and I had somebody that called, which was him. And then he said that, hey, I saw your videos. He wanted to meet up with me like within like what? Like at the first time, like 2 days? Or immediately. Yeah. So I held off on it till the next week, which is today. So it's like, I don't know, from that phone call till now, it's probably like what, 10 days, something like that?
Yeah. So we got 20 locations spread out throughout the Central Valley. Samsung screens, LCDs cost us on average a couple $100s a pop. And when I seen that glass only basically was an option on an S8 or an S8 Plus, immediately I knew that it would increase our margins. So whether you have one store or you have 20 stores, you're talking about thousands or tens of thousands of dollars in savings.
Okay, so moving forward, what are you guys, I guess, gonna do?
So based off of spending the day with you, we're gonna order all the equipment that we need to start refurbishing in-house, and put together the program so we can start refurbishing our own Samsung screens in-house.
And that's gonna, how many stores do you guys have? 17?
17 now.
17 stores. I think that is it. But I'll have more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it up right there. But before I go, I know that my videos are definitely helping people. So if you want me to help you in cell phone repair, or if you need any information, give this video a like. It really helps my channel out. Drop me a comment. You guys know that I reply to everybody. So thank you guys for watching my videos. I'll keep putting them out. Remember, follow me on Instagram. I get a lot of people that write messages and thank yous and all that. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.